focused on SUI because it's broken out versus Casper, Near, and everything else. So that's been my thing. SUI, I've been flagging this for a while. I thought it was looking like the chart was going to do this. So it feels like it's one of the big ones. There'll be other stuff that will outperform SUI without question. Maybe it's your token. Maybe it's your, and I'm not going to mention, listen, I believe in abundance. And I wish you, in whatever your choices are, the best. It is not player versus player. I'm just trying to make as much money for myself and for my subscribers of Pro Macro and Global Macro Investor and the Macro Investing Tool, all the things that I do to try and help people and publicly. I share a lot of my information for free, pisses off some of the people who are paying tens of thousands of dollars for my research, but it's really important for me to help as many people in this journey as possible. If we're going through the largest opportunity in all macro history in the shortest period of time, I've got to take as many people as possible with me.
The SUI Layer 1 blockchain has been touted as an incredible force to be reckoned with after showing resilience in the face of the recent market crash. According to our market analysis, SUI has made a massive statement with a 36% surge over the past 7 days and 70% over the past 30 days. At the time of this writing, the asset was trading at $1.44, and its 24-hour trading volume was up 28%. Raoul Pal said that SUI's future trajectory looks bullish as confirmed by market signals, growing adoption, and technological upgrades. To shed light on this point, Paul highlighted that the asset broke the bearish trend against Solana and the top 20 tokens. Furthermore, its relative strength index validates any form of bullish thesis, as the asset acts as if it is one of the top elected officials of the new big chains, even the chosen one. From a technological perspective, Paul believes that the recent mysticity led to an astonishing finality in under a second. Interestingly, this makes it the fastest of all the channels. Paul also cited the upcoming Pilot Fish as another upgrade that could transform the network and position it above its competitors. According to our research, Pilot Fish was designed to scale transactions per second, TPS, even beyond Solana Fire Dancer. This, coupled with Circle's recent decision to issue a stablecoin, USDC, on the platform, could be another good step to overtake competitors. According to Raoul Pal, SUI might be the coin that can shock everyone by replicating Solana's last bull run move. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
They've just launching Walrus, which is a decentralized data storage layer using blobs that's built on top of the SUI network. So think of Filecoin, think of AWS, decentralized, but for a Web3 world. That's coming on top. There's a bunch of other applications. Pilot Fish is coming, which is their version of Fire Dancer, which will give it kind of unlimited TPS. It's just an interesting project. You may hate it. You may have something else you prefer. All I ask you to do is show to yourself, not to me, that your chart is going to outperform Solana. And then is it going to outperform SUI? Is it going to outperform? That's the way to do things. And that's what got me into the Bitcoin ETH cross. That's what got me into the Solana ETH Solana trade. SUI is a crypto token that I'm on the foundation board of. So yes, I'm shilling it, but I'm actually not. I don't talk about stuff that I don't think is going to go up. I've been talking about this for a while. I've been warning people that I think SUI is going to be one of the chosen ones of the cycle.
The SUI network could rival Solana for the position as the leading alternative Layer 1 network behind Ethereum. According to K33, DeFi analyst David Zimmerman, SUI has all the technical requirements to overtake Ethereum, especially with its theoretically maximum TPS of 297,000 versus Solana's 65,000. On the other hand, the report admits that Solana is ahead of SUI in terms of circulating tokens. Currently, 80% of Solana's total supply is in circulation compared to only 27% for SUI. This implies that current investors could be exposed to selling risk when future tokens are launched. After the August crash, which saw SUI, the native coin, fall as low as 46 cents, the token has steadily recovered, adding an impressive 230% since then. The formation of the SUI USDT candle reveals that the bullish trend is maintained and buyers are in pole position. On the contrary, SWE could benefit greatly from the recovery of cryptocurrency prices as a whole. Aware of SWE's potential, Paul believes that the future of the platform is bright. Not only will it grow, but it will become a dominant blockchain, taking market share away from Ethereum and others. As for what the network offers, the analyst said that investors should pay close attention to SWE, highlighting upcoming upgrades and, above all, building up bullish momentum. Several factors may stimulate demand. The decision to cut fees could lead to an influx of capital into quality crypto projects considered undervalued and offering higher returns than Bitcoin or Ethereum. According to this interpretation, SWE could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. Additionally, SWE recently upgraded its software via the Mysticeti upgrade. Thanks to Mysticeti, SWE now supports sub-1 second finalities, meaning it is the fastest of all the chains. Specifically, developers will scale SWE in a linear fashion, meaning the platform will scale smart contract execution in a low-latency, decentralized environment. A scalable, robust, economical, and reliable network attracts development. Paul suggests that Bitcoin is primed for massive rallies due to one major catalyst. Bitcoin appears to be rising in tandem with rising global liquidity. Paul shares a chart comparing global liquidity to Bitcoin that suggests the flagship cryptocurrency could hit $90,000 by November. Paul says a historical relationship between Bitcoin and the global money supply measure, M2, suggests the leading digital asset by market cap is gearing up for a massive advance. Real Vision macroeconomics expert Julian Patel also says that macroeconomic conditions are starting to inject more liquidity into markets, which tends to be bullish for risk assets like Bitcoin. SWE has been very popular on social media recently. Many people compare SWE to Solana Killer and make a lot of analysis on SWE's network performance and SWE token K-line trend. The bullish sentiment on SWE seems to be spreading. The first comment on SWE's bullishness came from Paul. On August 9th, he sent out a series of tweets on Twitter. After comparing the trend charts of SWE tokens with the governance tokens of several other traditional public chains, he concluded that SWE is starting to become very interesting from a price perspective. Although it is still early and unconfirmed, it has shown signs of breaking out compared to most tokens. Grayscale may be recognizing SWE's outstanding performance. On August 7th, Grayscale announced the launch of 2 new cryptocurrency investment products, fiat products for SWE tokens. Rehana Sharif Askari, head of product and research at Grayscale, said in a statement, "We are delighted to add BitTensor and SWE to our product portfolio and believe that BitTensor is at the heart of the development of decentralized AI, while SWE is redefining smart contract blockchains." Influenced by this news, the price of SWE rose by 42% on August 8th, setting a recent single-day high. Paul is looking for the next major token for a Solana-like opportunity, and SWE is one of them. However, Paul's call also raised some questions, and he himself stated that he was a director of the SWE Foundation and had an interest in the SWE ecosystem. However, regarding the argument that SWE will surpass Solana, many do not believe that SWE's market cap will be the same as Solana, but its market cap is 3.5% of Solana.